This is part 2 of the CM250C ACI CDI to DC CDI conversion. If you haven't seen part 1, probably a good idea if you review it now before watching this video. I think it might be a little clearer. At any rate, I did the initial hookup and everything seemed to work okay, so I went ahead and decided to do a more permanent setup as far as the wiring goes. You can see that I added a 4-pin connector here, and the way I have this wired is, like I said in the previous video, the green-white wire, which is coming from the CDI pickup coil, has to be grounded. And it turns out that this green wire right here next to it is a ground wire. So I just put a jumper in here that jumps the green-white wire back to the green wire, which is the ground. Also, because the CDI has 2 grounds, these 2 green wires, I just went ahead and connected those together with a connector here. So it's very tidy the way this all worked out. There's another benefit to this, the way I did this. It will be apparent later. This connector here is a 3-pin connector, and there is a blue wire and a white wire, and those wires go to the alternator. Now, since we're hooking this up as a DC setup, we don't need these wires anymore, but we do need this black wire connected to the kill switch, and that's what this does here. It's connecting the black-white wire to the black wire on the CDI, which is the kill switch. So there's only one wire being used on this 3-pin connector, and then this is a 2-pin connector, and that is taking power from this black wire here to the CDI. And what I did here is I used a guillotine type connector to tap into this black wire that is coming out of the fuse box, and this black wire is a switched power wire, so that when you turn the switch on, it has power. You turn the switch off, there is no power, which is what you want, because you don't want to just hook it directly to the battery, because when you turn the motorcycle off, the CDI will drain the battery. So you want to tap into this black wire here with the this black wire here, I'm sorry, I was pointing to the wrong one. You want to tap into that with a guillotine connector, and then run this up to a 2-pin connector here, so that's your power supply. Now, this is a 4-pin, this is a 3-pin, and this is a 2-pin connector, and this way you don't ever have to worry about anything getting mixed up, because you can't interchange them. The beauty, the way I have this wired, is you can always go back to the original CDI, and all you have to do is unplug it and then connect the original OEM CDI to the 4-pin connector in the 3-pin, and this power wire will just be unconnected. You can just tape that to the frame. You're not going to use it if you go back to the original OEM CDI unit. So that's the beauty of this. Everything works fine. I'll be posting a video in part 3 that actually shows the bike running.